Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
In this section, we'll be working with Excel ranges and tables. Section 1, improve Excel ranges and tables in one easy lesson. 2, a simple guide to understanding ranges and cells. 3, what is Excel go to special command? 4, how to select cells by searching. 5, how to use shortcut keys. 6, learn to paste to the Office clipboard or any document in minutes. 7, how to use the paste special dialog box. 8, doing Excel math without a formula. 9, the what and why of transposing data. 10, range names and why you need them. 11, cell comments, the good, bad, and the ugly. 12, the ultimate guide on Excel tables. 13, 4 tips on creating Excel tables. 14, the secret of adding data to an Excel table. 15, sorting and filtering Excel table data. It's not that difficult. 16, the best way to filter Excel tables. 17, table filters and slicers. And 18, restyling the look of an Excel table. Most of the work you're going to be doing in Excel involves cells. We're in a cell here, and ranges. If we just highlight a number of cells, that's a range. What we're going to discuss in this section is the manipulation of these cells and these ranges. So let's get started.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Williams out.